Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Streamlabs' new product, Willow, and thank you Streamlabs for sponsoring this video and allowing me to share such a wonderful product with you guys. Willow is the link in bio tool in where this one link will serve as a landing page for all of your other social medias, links, etc. And it works perfectly for scenarios where there is only a slot for adding one link in your social media bio, such as, for instance, Instagram. So to get started with Willow, you just want to go to this website, which I will link down below. Please, editing cat, please remember to go add it. We're going to want to hit this blue button, get started for free. And I have already filled out the information, but basically it just asks for your email. It will send a confirmation to your email. Just click the confirmation link. And then it will ask for you to input a username. So I'm putting wlo.link/catliente because that is my handle across all my social medias. And this is what the landing page will look like. Really cute. So we can just quickly go over to design right here. And this is where you can go and change the design of the layouts. So I'm currently in the free version, and then I will get the paid version to show you both differences. So with the free version, I'm just gonna go add a bio real quickly. In the bio, you get 150 words, and you just wanna give a very nice short blurb as to who you are as a content creator and what are the key points you wanna go emphasize. And then I'm gonna go to my best friend, coolsymbol.com, just to find some cool symbols that I can go and add to my bio to spice it up a little bit. I personally really like the sparkles, so I'm gonna go add that. And then we can't forget to go add a profile photo. So just make sure you pick an image, and then find an image that corresponds to your general, whatever you use for a profile photo. I really recommend that you keep your profile photos consistent across all your social media platforms, just so it ties together better for branding purposes. So I personally just always use this one image I drew of myself. My art style is so inconsistent, but I really like that drawing, so all right. And then now we're gonna pick one of the themes. These are all so pretty. I'm definitely gonna probably yoink this one once I get the pro version. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to Icy Mint. That was the one that I selected initially. We're gonna go back to my page. And let's go add some links. And so they already have a Twitch option right here. So if you just toggle this on, it will take you to a login page to authorize your Twitch account if you're already signed in, which I am. And right there, you'll already have your Twitch link right there. You can also add tips and all sorts of other links. So I'm just gonna go through and populate this with all of my social media. So I've already gone and added a bunch, but over here where it says add social icon, this is what adds these little icons on the bottom. Let me move myself up here so I'm not blocking too much. But yes, the add social icon here will add these little icons down at the bottom, which is another great spot to go and add social media links. So I've added my YouTube, my Twitch, my Twitter, my Discord, but if we were to add one, let's click this button right here, and then under this drop down, we want to go click and then select whichever social media platform you want to go add. I'm just going to go add my Instagram. Click this. It already gives you a link right here, and it will pre-populate the link URL. So you just need to go and add your handle, which is for me, catliente.ttv, right there. And then if we would like to toggle these on or off, we just click the little green eye right there. And if we click them, we will toggle off our social media handles down here. And then if we click it again, they will reappear. And the trash can will just delete a social media link. And just to double check that the links are working, for instance, we can just already live time interact with this phone template right here. So if I were just to click this YouTube button real fast, poof, it takes you to my YouTube channel, so we know the link is working. Just make sure you click everything to double check it to make sure everything works properly. And you can also go and add your PayPal. So right here where it says tips, we can just click this toggle button and just enter your PayPal email. Here's my PayPal email in case you wanna, I don't know, like fund my boba. Click link, and there you go. Now there is a support option as well. And the best part, you can go and link your favorite charity so that you can go and show your friends and your family and your followers what charity you support and try to go and get some more help from them as well. I'm just gonna go add a stand up to cancer. And there we have it, our Willow link. All right, so if it obviously looked different, it's because it's another day. I got a little bit carried away and distracted, and a weekend has passed. So we're gonna get back into this video because your girl is a little bit slow. But I finally got Willow Pro, so I'm going to go show you the features of that as well. So right where it says here design, we're going to go and click customize. And now that I have Willow Pro, I have access to all of these other cool designs. And like I said, I really like this vanilla soda one, so that's what I'm gonna be going with. And if you just click this slider, you can go and hide the Willow logo, which looks like this. So I just click this real fast. It's gone. Also, if we go under analytics, we can actually see the analytics of who clicked on and used our link. So right here, you can see November 5th when I was actually filming this video. You can go and see the amount of total clicks, the unique views, and the total views, which is basically me setting up Willow. And then we have donations here, top locations of people who are viewing your links, top refers, charity donations, and device analytics. Right here, if we click create your own theme, you get access to all of these really cool features, different button sizes, shapes, different fonts, and this is perfect for allowing you to customize your Willow to exactly the way you want it to look like. I really like these little bubble floaty things because it reminds me of boba. And there you go. I made mine kind of boba themed, so that is the theme I'm going with. All right, and thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate the support so much. And thank you Streamlabs for sponsoring this video and allowing me to showcase such a cool software. I'll drop my Willow link down below, so if you want to go check out any of my socials, it will be linked right there. And I do stream on Twitch 5 days a week, so I hope to see you there or in another video. Peace.